Hey ladies and gentlemen, Kaikane here once again, and today I'm going to cover the importance of having a degree to teach English abroad and why you need one if you really want to make tons of money teaching English overseas. As you may know very well, without a degree nowadays, you pretty much can't do jack. This also, of course, applies to teaching English abroad. Most countries around the world absolutely require a degree in order to teach English in their country, let alone get a proper visa that will allow you to stay in the country of your choice. Not only that, they also at times like to call your good old university you claim to have attended and check to make sure, in fact, what you say is very, very true. They may even like to take it a bit further by having you order a copy of your transcripts and degree sealed in an envelope and stamped just to be on the safe side. You get my drift. Now, for those of you unfortunate individuals around the world who do want to get rich teaching English abroad, however, lack the most important piece of paper that you do need, which basically means if you do not have a degree and still have a strong, deep, and passionate desire to teach, I can give you and help you with some top secret advice that will be much help in your quest and journey on becoming a private English teacher abroad. However, you will have to get in touch with me personally, and I will have to consult with you on one or a few occasions in order to get you situated. Otherwise, you can just simply go back to university and obtain your degree the old-fashioned way. Also, please remember, having a major related to the English language is not at all required if you want to teach English abroad. However, a strong knowledge of linguistics and the English language will definitely help. So there you have it, folks. If you don't have a degree, you had better get one. And if you have one already, then good luck on ya. And you're already one step ahead of getting rich teaching English overseas via private lessons. Well, I have to hurry to a class with the famous Japanese actress here, Minami Aoyama. Be sure to check out my website, GetRichTeachingEnglish.com, and get my book if you haven't gotten it yet. Also, if you have any further in-depth questions that need finely tuned answering, or would like to book a private one-on-one consultation to get the best advice on earth possible on how to find a rewarding ESL teaching job abroad and know where the best places on earth to teach English overseas are, and to learn the secret tips and tricks of teaching and how to make tons of money in the process, then please don't hesitate to book an email consultation or Skype consultation with me via my website at GetRichTeachingEnglish.com. I also provide resume revamp, edit, and reference services as well that will definitely help you out. Do have a great day, and stay tuned for more awesome vids. Till next time, peace out, keep it real, and stay focused.